I'm Brittany with WTI, and if you want something quick and cozy to just slip on, these are the answer.
These are the QatmMkt 10-piece unisex disposable slippers. They are so soft and cozy. Perfect thing for when you're coming home and you just want to slip on something that's just going to help you relax from the day. It's perfect for having them out for when you get out of the shower. And because they are unisex, they work so well for my husband and for myself when I get out of the shower to be able to slip that on and not have to walk my barefoot on the tile. I just love the quality. Even though they are disposable, they are so well made. It's got the fuzzy lining all going within on the bottom and on the top. The quality and the edging and the ribbing is just so well done. It's got the nice sole so you're not going to slip on any different surfaces. It's just such a nice thing if you're just wanting to relax. And because it comes in a pack of 10, these are perfect for actually not only using for yourself, but giving as gifts. We had some guests over and we loved having this available for them.
I loved them. They loved them. And that's our point of view.